What are the potential risks in refinancing?
Normally there's mainly upsides. I guess in terms of risks could be that somebody thinks their property is worth more than it actually is, and so when we do a valuation it's no longer under 80% loan value ratio, which means that it goes into mortgage insurance territory, which does impact interest rates as well as being a fee on top, or the insurance cost on top. So that might actually then impact borrowing capacity because the rate's higher, which means the assessment rate's higher. So that's in terms of, I guess, getting an understanding of what your property is worth in reality, not what the real estate agent's telling you. I guess nobody wants to extend their loan term. At the end of the day, you want to own your home as fast as possible. So some people may be on a 15-year or 20-year loan term at the moment, and to enable them to get through this particular phase or stage in their life, a couple of kids, private school, otherwise, kids are expensive to run, aren't they?
Very expensive.
And so, you may need to tread water for a while, which means that potentially you might have to go out a little bit in your loan term until such time as the kids have left school or left home, and both people can go out and earn the money that they were earning before, and make extra payments to sort of catch up that loan term. So I guess that's potentially a risk, is taking it back out a little bit longer than potentially that they'd like to, especially as we get older. So yeah, if you're in your 50s and stuff like that, or late 50s, you probably don't want to have a 30-year loan term. So there's a risk there as well of refinancing and sort of kicking the can down the road, as they might say, rather than dealing with the issue at the moment. Overall, maybe the costs, I guess, maybe in terms of moving one bank to another, depending on the type of lender that we have to take you to. We've done a refinance for somebody with 15 different unsecured debts. So the risk there was that they weren't going to be able to bundle that up into one loan, but we were able to get it set for them and they were able to make payments and get it done.